Friends, here our concept is Introduction to Python. Let me go with that. See, Python is a very simple scripting or programming language. So here, don't get confused between programming and scripting language. Basically, all scripting languages are programming languages, but all programming languages are not scripting languages. So how can you differentiate them? Very simple. Programming languages are useful to develop applications and scripting languages are useful to develop automation scripts. But along with automation scripts, we can also develop applications using scripting languages. That's why all scripting languages are programming languages. But be clear, we can only develop applications using programming languages, not automation scripts. That's why all programming languages are not scripting languages. And one more thing, programming languages uses compiler, but scripting languages uses interpreter. So what is the difference between compiler and interpreter? So here I am giving very simple difference, but in our course we will discuss in detail about interpreter. So the difference is, if you implement your language using compiler, then to run your language, first you have to compile and then you have to run it. But suppose if you use interpreter, after implementing your language, directly you can run using interpreter. Fine. And coming to Python programming or scripting. See, people are getting confusion whether they need to go with Python programming or Python scripting. There is no difference. If you go with Python programming or Python scripting, you are going to learn Python only. There is no difference while writing your code with Python scripting or Python programming because they are same. That's it. And the scripting languages are majorly used in system administration, that is for automation, along with that application development. And also we can create some plugins and extensions for existing applications. See, these all are not only for Python. We are also having some other scripting languages like Ruby, Node.js. So using all these scripting languages, you can implement automation scripts along with that some applications. Fine. And one more thing, suppose if you are new to programming or scripting, then it's better to start with Python because of its simplicity. Now let me go with features of Python. See, Python is easy to learn because of its simple syntaxes, and it is readable because of that simple syntaxes. It is cross-platform. That means same Python script you can run on Windows or on Linux or any other operating systems. There is automatic memory management is there. You don't need to worry about how to manage memory using Python. It will take care. Inbuilt memory management is there. And large standard library is there. So already libraries are developed and lot of libraries are there. Using that, we can easily implement our scripts using Python. And less code length. See, compared to your other programming languages, Python is having less code length. See, suppose if you know C program, in C program to display hello world, you need to write 4 lines of code. But in Python, that we can do it in a single line. So because of that, less code length is required to implement any scripts using Python. And exception handling, very good exception handling is there with Python. And finally, it is an open source, so you can freely download and install. Fine. Now, what can we do with Python? See, nowadays Python is popular for doing application development, APIs development, means REST API or RESTful APIs, game development, desktop application development, and data science and data analytics, AI, web scraping and text processing, creating plugins and extensions for existing applications, and in automation. Automation means you can do on server side, database side, middleware, web server, on cloud and DevOps. So in all areas we can use Python. That's it. Okay. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video.